guys, Super Mama's Vlogs here. So today we are going to make some honey soy chicken. So have a look and how I make my homemade honey soy chicken. Here I've got chicken breast cut into strips already, and also I'm gonna cut them just a little bit more, so just into small pieces. There you go. Here I've got pretty much a kilo of chicken breast. So that's what I've got at the moment. These are the boys' favorite. One of my friend actually, who's a chef, has taught me how to make this honey soy chicken. So that's it. I've got my chicken breast strips cut. I've got some more here, and it's still a bit frozen, but that's fine. So now I've got my chicken strips here, and I'm only gonna marinate it with chicken salt. And that's pretty much it. Just chicken salt seasoning, and mix and mix. And then we are going to make the butter for this honey soy chicken. So I've got self-raising flour and corn flour. So you only need self-raising flour and corn flour. So it's 2:1. So 2 cups of self-raising flour and 1 cup of corn flour. So that's 2:1. And this is good for pretty much 1 kilo of chicken breast. So now we're gonna make the butter. Pretty much with these 3 cups of flour, I only needed around 2 cups of water to make the butter this consistency. This is actually pretty good. I've actually used the wholemeal self-raising flour this time, because that's what I've got left in the pantry. So that's it. That's the consistency that you're after for your butter. And again, only need chicken salt seasoning to give it a little bit of a flavor. So I think around a teaspoon of chicken salt. So that's not bad. That's good to go. And I did some just pan fried or roasted some sesame seeds for the toppings for later. So that's some sesame seeds there in the fryer, pan fry, not fryer. And now we are ready to put our chicken pieces into the batter. And then you have your hot oil, and now you can deep fry them. So that's it. Try to put them like individually. I always try to make them to stick to each other. And yeah, so when it's floating, that means that you get a good butter there. So that's your chicken, honey chicken, and just wait for it to go golden brown. And yeah, I'm trying to separate them. So golden brown, if they're ready to go, put them on the strainer, and you can see they're all puffed, and it's yummy because it gets very crunchy. So I use vegetable oil for my oil, by the way. So you make sure that your oil's already hot. So that's the one there, all good to go. And for the honey, a couple of tablespoons of honey there, and then just to make it a bit thin, just put some hot water. It's up to you how thin or how thick you want your honey for your sauce there. So that one is the consistency that I'm after. So that's it, all done. You got your honey ready to go. You got your sesame seeds, and there's your honey soy chicken. So thank you everyone for watching, and see you in my next vlogs. Bye for now.